Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and today let us review the American Express Aeroplan Reserve Card. So it is a top-tier travel rewards card tailored for frequent Air Canada flyers. With a 599 annual fee, it offers strong value through complimentary Maple Leaf Lounge access in North America. First or fee first checked bag on Air Canada flights and priority airport services. Its cash cardholders earn three times points on Air Canada purchases, two times on dining and food delivery, and 1.25% on everything else. It includes comprehensive travel insurances with a Nexus card statement credit, application fee reimbursement, and access to Amex's front of the line perks. New members can earn a welcome bonus up to 85,000 airplane points as of 2025 after meeting spend requirements. While the fee is steep, the card pays off for loyal airplane users seeking premium travel perks and accelerated point earnings.